some of you hungry and some of you not. Okay, 7 pups is a lot to keep track. Can you really blame me? I don't even know if you can hear me. So, I guess I'm just gonna not talk. Don't care if you're separate. Go into some bushes. Now, nice. No! Oh, thank goodness. Did you guys see that? What just happened? Okay, I think Mossy deserves a good night's rest. Or a good day's rest, as these are the night hunters. Wobbly stuff. What even is that? Oh. Been there, done that. Bicycle, I don't know what that is. Been there, done that. I cannot believe all my pups survived that. Like, that eagle literally swooped down. Wait, am I okay? No. This little Yellowstone bit, that's where the stem is coming from. Still don't know if you hear me. Stems. Oh, I really need to mark some territory. How hungry are my pups? Oh, 5. Are you a runt? You're one of the biggest pups here. Oh my gosh. What is happening? I need to play with them. Is there any danger? I'll sniff. I don't smell any danger besides strangled wolves, which I doubt are trying to come here. So, but I can't really always rely on my nose. Alright, everyone come out while I'm just breaking my neck here. It's still daytime. I was hoping to go to the cattle ranch. Do I have any food? No, I need to mark some territory. Oh my gosh. To play with them. And leave that target. Oh my gosh. I've at least get some food. Cheese is full. Cheese. Just great. I think I'm missing something. Okay. Alright. 2, 3, 7, or 8. Just go and shove the other on the side of the bird. Be rough, you gotta be rough, you gotta be rough. I totally understand. Whew. Yeah, I'm being missing. I should look for a neighbor as well. Guys, okay. Stay close. Remember what happened last time? There was an eagle and we were all scattered. So then you guys ran away and the eagle could have found you, but I happened to run after you, so the eagle was scared away. Do any of you remember that? Oh my gosh, they're out of food. Some of them are not completely fed. Man, this is hard. Poor Mossy. Stupid rancher. I mean, the county ranch comes over its rest, but I really never expected that. It's just so dumb that you just got lost. Well, I as you can see, fun parrot. Everyone loves me. Probably not my mate because he died. Well, he might still love me. I mean, we ran out. I thought he was out, and he wasn't. He couldn't find the exit, and I guess that's why he's gone. Anyways, if you're new here and you just found this video, I recommend you go watch the others to see why I don't have a mate. If you can even hear. Oh, what are you doing? You should have come out. Enough of this nonsense. No, don't get in the water. Here where I can get you. No, die. No! Almost got it. Oh. Oh, it's looking good here. I ain't gonna get it. Oh, great. Yes. I thought I was not going to get that. Seriously thought I wasn't going to get it. Thank goodness. Well, maybe I should try and find a mate. Hello. Any other dispersal wolves? Out there, perhaps? Yes. Although could be other females, because they have attacked one of my previous videos, I believe, on this series. Oh, that is a bison. There are some bison, actually. What is... Oh! What the... hello? Are you? What are you? Who are you? You get out of my territory. I do not want to deal with this right now. I thought you were dispersal. You're in the cattle ranch? You are coming to attack my pups? Stay away. Yeah. Dispersals. Hello. Please. I need a mate. It's already been 11 minutes. Yeah. No one. I guess I'll go back to my pups. Find a mate another day. Yeah, it's good. I'm not sure if the farmer comes in here or not. Hey, I should move out further closer here. I feel like that would be dangerous. You're a buck. You're a buck. Yes, you stopped running. No, it's a doe. Nice. Perfect. Once you can catch them, they're pretty easy to kill. As long as you have a good amount of stamina. This will be me for a while since I'm alone and my pups haven't started eating solid food yet. And the cattle ranch territory very close to my house. Yes. Oh my goodness. Life changer. Life changer, I swear. I think it's fading tonight. I should get some rest. First changes for the internet. I mean, if I'm going to the cattle ranch again. I have 7 of them and I need to feed them. Would I have a mule there? But what if I get a cow? If I get a cow, it should feed me. Yeah. Is there any dangers? I don't smell any dangers. Good. Time really flies when I'm having fun. It's been 14 minutes already. Feels like 5. Here we go. Also, I played with Mossy on multiplayer, and I found some ankle traps, so I'm going to be a bit wary now. So, sorry for not letting you all in on that, but, you know, I need some time not recording, and most of my time I spent doing things other than my computer. I like to make cardboard arcade games. So, yeah, I need some time other than recording on my computer. So I also like doing clay. I made a clay version of Mossy. Yeah, this is taking a while. Where is this opening? Oh wait, I think I saw it. Yep, here it is. I'm not sure. Because once there was a trap in the opening in the fence. So alright, there we go. In and out. Alright, the cows are on the wind, I think. Yeah, domestic cow. I can already see the scent because the thing that tells me that I'm recording is there. Ooh. Sausage there. That's what I thought it was when I first. Yep, the sausage is there. Darn sausage. down. But the sausage is there. You little gremlin, you sausage. That's what I thought it was when my mate died. Pretty sure I didn't see it. I don't remember. Why is the sausage wandering around so much? No? No, it's all me. Sausage? Please. Sausage? Sausage? Forever. Sausage! Alright, that was a fail. Sausage saw me. Stupid sausage. Maybe I should. I'll go mark my territory over there. Can't really hurt to keep the territory strong, can it? Maybe I can even find another meat. Stone died. Hopefully it won't be as good as stone. Stone was actually supposed to be Mossy's brother, and now I regret bringing him to the cattle ranch. And of course, dispersal wolves don't come over here. Okay.